well, we've decided that it's going to be a good weekend to go away. So at the moment it's just me and Jake. We are heading up the bush to the usual spot. We haven't been there since Queen's birthday, and we are supposed to get a bit of rain. So we've decided to come up here, at least we'll get a bit of shelter if we get a fair bit of rain. So we're just cruising up here now in the Arvo, stay a couple nights there. I don't know what we're going to do, maybe a little bit of driving, probably get some firewood and clean up around, because we've had a fair bit of rain and wind up here, so there's a few trees down. But yeah, general relaxing weekend away. Getting some of the Colonel's finest. Can't go wrong Friday night.
Doing up?
Watch out for this rock. I crashed the beadlock into it. Yeah, it hits pretty hard. Yeah. It's sort of a bit tricky, like there's... Maybe I'll try and dig it out. But it smashed into it pretty hard. Yeah. I got it pretty good. Running your wheel up the bank there so you don't drive your front over that step. And then at the back only has to go up it. Just wait until I'm loaded into that hole. No, I can't unlock the hole either.
What's the verdict?
Welcome to CB.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I screwed the axle off the end and punched it out of the hub there. Like must have screwed and then it's pushed it out.
Ah, shit.
You know, just to go get back through the river. I got some zip ties in mine. You need zip ties. I don't know if I've got to touch the bag. Yeah, I've got mine in the bag. Yeah. I'm trying to think if I have a plastic bag. Okay. Trying to think if I have a plastic bag.
Isn't there bags in the treasury?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, oh, there she goes.
Do you have any next?
Zoom in on it, Emily. Just hopefully the sticker fell out.
Well, unfortunately, Jake seems to have broken a CV. So as you've seen, it broke the end off the in the stub axle and then punched it out the hub. So he had another hub, so we put another hub on there, pulled some of the stuff out, just so we can get back across the river without water going up inside into the bearings and things like that. But yeah, that'll wrap up this drive. We were supposed to go for a bit longer and a bit further, but we didn't really make it that far. So that spot on that hill has taken out a few people before. That's actually a nasty little pinch, so I can catch you out. But back to camp to kick back, I think. Get it going. Magic ingredient. Yeah. Look at Anya just scribbled up nuts. I'll take that off you. You'll get banned soon.
I think it.
that sums up our weekend. Nice and relaxing. Bit of a bummer that Jake broke his CV, even though we're only just out for a little drive. But yeah, these things happen. So the weather was pretty good. We got a fair bit of rain actually. Yeah, lucky we had the shed, the fire in the shed, and yeah, protection from the wind. It got a bit windy and a bit wet, but yeah, it was all good. So I don't know when we'll be up there next, but next weekend's a long weekend, so maybe the next video might be another driving one, so stay tuned for that.